Have you ever picked up your phone for just a minute, and suddenly an hour is gone? You don't even remember what you watched. You don't remember why you opened the app. But somehow, your mind feels tired, distracted, and strangely empty. This is not an accident. This is design. Social media is not just a tool anymore. It has quietly become a powerful force shaping your thoughts, your emotions, and even your identity. And the most dangerous part, most people don't even realize it. Today, we're going to talk about something important, something that can change the way you live your life. Subscribe the channel and stay till the end. Let's understand what's really happening. Every time you scroll, like, or watch a video, your brain releases dopamine, the chemical of pleasure. It gives you a small hit of satisfaction, and your mind starts craving more. One more video, one more post, one more scroll. This is how addiction begins, not loudly but silently. Over time, your attention span starts shrinking. You find it harder to focus on real work. Reading a book feels boring. Sitting quietly feels uncomfortable. Your mind becomes restless. And slowly, without realizing it, you lose control over your own thoughts. But that's not all. Social media also creates an illusion, a world where everyone seems happier, more successful, more attractive than you. You see someone traveling, someone achieving success, someone living a perfect life. And deep inside, a comparison begins. Why is my life not like this? Am I behind? Am I not good enough? This constant comparison slowly damages your self-esteem. It creates anxiety. It creates dissatisfaction. You start judging your real life based on someone else's highlights. And that is deeply unfair to yourself. Another dangerous effect is emotional manipulation. Social media algorithms are designed to keep you engaged, not happy, not peaceful, but engaged. They show you content that triggers strong emotions: anger, fear, excitement, desire. Why? Because emotional content keeps you hooked. You react, you comment, you scroll more. And slowly, your mind becomes reactive instead of peaceful. You stop thinking deeply. You start reacting instantly. Your patience decreases. Your clarity fades. Now ask yourself honestly, are you using social media? Or is social media using you? But here's the truth. Social media is not the enemy. The problem is unconscious use. When you use it without awareness, it controls you. But when you use it with intention, it becomes a powerful tool. So what can you do? How can you take back control? Let's talk about some simple but powerful steps. Become aware. Before you try to change anything, observe your behavior. How many times do you check your phone in a day? How much time do you spend scrolling? How do you feel after using social media? Don't judge yourself. Just notice. Awareness is the first step to freedom. Set clear boundaries. Decide how much time you want to spend on social media. Not what feels easy, but what is actually healthy. Maybe 30 minutes a day. Maybe 1 hour. Use a timer if needed. When the time is over, stop. At first, it will feel difficult. Your mind will resist. But remember, you are training your mind, not obeying it. Control what you consume. Your mind is shaped by what you watch. If you constantly consume negative, toxic, or meaningless content, your mind will become the same. Unfollow accounts that make you feel insecure or anxious. Follow content that inspires you, educates you, or brings positivity. Be intentional. Your feed is your responsibility. Create more than you consume. Instead of just scrolling endlessly, try creating something. Share your thoughts. Share your ideas. Share something meaningful. Creation gives you power. Consumption drains it. Even if it's small, even if nobody sees it, it changes your relationship with social media. You become a contributor, not just a consumer. Take regular breaks. Give your mind space to breathe. Spend time without your phone. Go outside. Talk to real people. Sit in silence. Reconnect with reality, because no digital experience can replace real human connection. Protect your mornings and nights. Do not start your day with social media, and do not end your day with it. Your morning sets the tone for your entire day. Your night shapes your mind for rest. Instead, begin your day with clarity, maybe silence, maybe reading, maybe reflection, and end your day with peace. Remember your purpose. Why are you using social media? Is it for learning? Is it for growth? Is it for connection? Or is it just a habit? When your purpose is clear, your usage becomes disciplined. Without purpose, you drift. At the end of the day, this is not about social media. This is about your life. Your time is limited. Your attention is valuable. Your mind is powerful. Do not give them away so easily. Imagine a life where you are fully present, where your mind is calm, where your focus is strong, where your happiness is not dependent on likes or comments. That life is possible, but only when you take control. So the next time you pick up your phone, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, am I choosing this, or am I being pulled into it? That one question can change everything. Do not let social media control you. Use it wisely, use it consciously, but never lose yourself in it. Because the moment you lose control of your mind, you lose control of your life, and you deserve better than that. Thank you for joining us. We hope this video has offered you little more clarity and inspiration to your journey of self-discovery. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Keep practicing, keep growing, and keep walking the path of personal evolution.